Welcome to the vlog. Today's the third day.
Mostly snowing on Darren. Hello guys. You know what? It is that time of year again. I know, it's May. You're wondering, what time of year are you talking about? Holy, right. Well, it's this time of year. Okay, that's what we're doing, and it's the next day, and we're all ready, and we're all packed. Trailers behind us. You can see we can barely see out the back window there, and
it's been a long time since we walked.
Here comes the straggler. Where'd you drop?
My glasses.
Your glasses?
What?
Okay, we're leaving now. It's 5:30. We're going to Earl Rowe. We should get there by 7ish. Okay, we didn't get more than 5 minutes. We're still in Milton, and we have to stop for dinner.
I have protein. Yeah,
so we're gonna eat and drive to make up good time, because it's gonna be an hour and a half of traffic.
We got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, give me one more prayer.
Okay, we're here at Earl Rowe Provincial Park.
we're here on Rowe.
May 24, driving in. It's one of those weird parts where you gotta drive in here, but then our sites are across the street over there. We just checked in and we got beans. Okay, we've been here for a couple hours. We set up, spared you the details. It's blue because the light in the trailer is blue, and it's the only light we have because it's pitch black now. So I know I'm not in a nightclub. I'm not in a nightclub in France. It's, like I said, hour 2 for a 3-day weekend. The kids are driving us nuts already. Good morning, good morning. It is the next morning. You saw how dark it was there. We just sat around by the fire, enjoyed it. We've been waiting all winter, this long winter. We've been waiting for this time. The vlog is going to be very quick this weekend, because the problem that we have is this camera. I brought 2 batteries, but I forgot to bring the charger. So as long as this battery lasts, and then the next battery lasts, that's as much as we're going to be vlogging today. So it is raining today. We knew it was going to rain. It was when we checked the forecast. When we got up there, it was going to be good, and then it's going to rain all day today. Maybe stop for an hour or 2. Maybe we'll have lunch. So we'll find stuff to do with the kids, go in town or something like that. And then tomorrow's going to be great. Fingers crossed. It's supposed to be great. What are you guys doing?
Ow.
So it's lunchtime, and of course lunchtime we are have some burgers. So doing a little barbecue and listening to a Tesla podcast. What else can be better? We're camping here in the great outdoors. Winter's over, and it's awesome. Hey Megan.
Okay.
Fast forward to dinner time, guys. We're, typical camping food is tacos. We're having tacos as we camp.
Burgers.
Well, that's a typical thing.
And then tomorrow?
And look, the kids are playing so nicely over there.
Oh, you're so good.
It's
Tomorrow
peaceful
we're
right now.
Can I tell them what we're doing tomorrow?
Yep.
Can I hear me?
It's on, yeah.
Tomorrow we're doing hot dogs over the fire. Like we did
Yes.
last year.
That'll be cool.
Be careful. I might crawl some of the way.
So this is the tree that we usually come out to, and years ago the kids carved their initials in one of them.
Megan just died.
Megan just wiped out and did a wicked spill. Just finished raining, so obviously, as you can see, the tree would be wet and slippery. The wood would be wet. So I gotta be careful myself. Here comes the cavalry over there. Careful, guys. It's very slippery, Andrew. Careful.
Ew, I almost touched the rotting mushrooms.
Okay, the rain has stopped, and we're attempting to light the fire. I've got it all set up. Don't knock it over, Andrew. Just take your time. Don't be quick about it. There you go. There you go. Take your time.
Oh, you found them. Hello. I know. Dax is.
Let's see.
Show Dax.
Oh, you've got a third knee.
A second.
No, she's got two knees already.
Mommy, look how big it is.
It's gonna rain later, so we're having s'mores in the fire now, and it's beginning already.
Marshmallows there, please.
I have marshmallows, Julie.
When I say it, I mean the
Okay, never mind,
chaos.
Abby.
It's always chaos when we
Good
do
job,
s'mores.
Julie. Bring your stuff and leave
Watch.
it there and let me get open ours.
That's right.
Can I have two?
You saved yourself
Plan the whole
buck
time,
49.
Darren.
Do you want one or two?
Do you want me to do that for you, Darren? We can switch seats.
Is this the first time he's ever having a s'more?
No,
Are you
I
having a
want to do it.
marshmallow?
I want to do it.
Yeah, mommy's just gonna put it on for you.
Crispy. That's crispy.
That's perfect.
Can I have one more marshmallow?
Don't hit the wood.
That's
Roasty.
Who'd want those one of these?
Andrew, I'm gonna get you
Stop,
one.
Quentin. You need to learn s'more etiquettes.
You do not say. Wow.
You must
First of all,
not touch anybody else's s'more.
yes, and do not cross swords.
And don't touch the ashes
Oh, actually,
or
no,
the
Darren.
wood.
There's more. There's like you can have
Are you gonna listen?
Fire,
Don't touch
fire.
the wood.
caramel or regular caramel.
Okay, turn it. You gotta turn it.
Probably only need.
It's on fire, it's on fire, it's on fire, it's on fire.
Now roast the other side.
Mommy,
Oh, look, chipmunk.
All you have to do is just look, Quentin.
Mommy,
Come here, Quentin.
Probably only need one.
Yeah, he's trying to look. He's going. I want to see him open up the cooler.
Jason, for me?
Alvin!
I'm being attacked by a s'more.
Can I tell you a vlog about the rude man?
No, nobody cares. Let it go, just like your mother had to let it go.
Let it go. Let it go.
Like really?
I want to see you eat it.
only need one for. They're so. Small.
Okay, watch your fingers. Don't wipe it on your hands.
Don't whip it on your hands.
Don't wipe it on your.
One is all
Oh,
you can do.
Right now.
Cookie down.
he needs help. Okay, start over. Start over.
So this is my marshmallow tumor and it looks like my mosquito bite.
Gross. You're eating a tumor. We know we're not supposed to burn this. We didn't cut it down. It was broken down from the windstorm. Well, I think we're burning it. I'm not sure. Look, we're camping in May and it's snowing. Mostly snowing on Darren. Okay, go. Pull as hard as you can.
Bring it here, guys. Megan, Andrew, bring it here.
Someone's going. Let's move.
Bring it here. So,
What's he doing?
Okay. Look at Daddy.
What is it?
What are you going? Eat it yet?
Don't spit it out by our trailer. What are you doing in there? This is the day we've been waiting for.
Don't knock it over, mister.
The sunny day where we can have lunch outside.
No, not there. I have a good spot.
This is the old pine tree that they always climb. And let me zoom in and show you. There's Quentin. There's Abby. Andrew. There's Andrew. Megan's way up top. Okay, this is what the pinnacle of the weekend is all about. We are roasting marshmallows. The kids are doing it right here. Sorry. Sausages, hot dogs. There's a nice picture right there. Yeah, just keep turning it, buddy, but you got to keep it lower like where those guys have theirs. Abby's is doing good. Abby's is turning color. Don't let it touch the... No, don't, Quentin, don't let it touch the wood.
I started my nose.
Is it too hard? Want me to help you a bit? If you bend down like this, you can just leave it here. So you don't have to hold it on. You just turn it. We're doing good, everyone. Let's see whose first hot dog falls in. Nothing to be better tasting than a hot dog over an open fire. This will be the best hot dog you've ever had, buddy. Heart of hot dogs, people. Best hot dogs in the world on an open flame. Remember how I used to take pictures of you eating?
Please don't.
It is the last night here, and then it's, you know what, speaking of nights, it is going to be super cold tonight. It's going down, it's a frost warning, it's going down to 4, maybe 0. So, electric blankets,
Today's not the last day.
heater, furnace, ceramic heater, everything is going to be full tilt tonight. We're going to close up the windows now, and I'm just... It is pack-up day, so it's pretty early in the morning. Well, actually, it's 11 o'clock in the morning, so it's almost noon. But we're going to pack up and go have lunch and get out of here. It was a fun weekend. Rained a little bit at the beginning, but, you know, rain is part of nature.
It's early in the morning.
It's early, yeah.
It's lunchtime.
It's almost lunchtime. So we got to take this monstrosity down and go get lunch and then make our way home. It's only a short drive. Okay, folks, we're going home now. We had a wicked weekend, long weekend. It was good, wasn't it, guys?
Yeah.
It rained the first day, which was fine. We expected it. We dealt with it. And then it was supposed to be really cold last night, but we cranked the furnace up so high that it was just steaming in there. So we had a warm day. Now we're going home, or warm night. Now we're going home. Thanks. We will see you on the next one, folks. Take care. Bye.